Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a dragon. Let's start off by drawing the head with a gentle S-shaped line at an angle. Then a sharp turn to a short curve down for the front of the snout. From there, another gentle S-shaped curve going back up, and a long, thin V shape underneath for the lower jaw. From the top end, add two really long upside-down V shapes for some horns. And on the side, three smaller sideways V shapes for some fins on the side of its head. From behind the horns, draw a long S-shaped line coming down for the back of the neck. And another one from under the chin to the front. Next, start the front leg with a large curve here for the upper leg, followed by a line angling down for the lower leg. Then, add three really sharp talons at the bottom for its claws. And one short one at the back. From there, a line coming up towards the body, and a curved line up to here to finish off the front leg. Extend the line from the chest behind the leg and across for the belly. Then, a really big curve for the thigh, a short line angling down for the lower leg, and again, three sharp talons at the bottom, with one coming out the back. Then, a line coming back up to the right, with a tight curve up to the body like so to finish off the hind leg. From this end on top, extend it out to the right. Then, a long line going up that bends to the left, and makes a sharp turn to the upper right for a wing. From the tip, a few big curves swooping down and in towards the base of the wing. Next, extend the line from the back behind the wing, down to the right, and a big swooping line up and over for the tail. Then, do the same for the line from the belly, extending out and swooping up and over, tapering to a point like so. Finally, draw the legs on the other side of the dragon by copying the shape slightly to the left like so. And do the same for the wing as well. To add some more detail, add a longer, thinner line on the wing, curving from tip to tip like so. Another one here, here, and here. And repeat that for the other wing as well. On the head, start the eye by drawing a gentle S-shaped line like so. Then, a small curve underneath it for the eye. And in the mouth, some rows of really sharp teeth. On the tip of the tail, draw a webbed flap with some swooping lines. And on the body, some groups of small wave shapes scattered around for some scales. Just a few are enough to get the idea across. From under the chin, draw a long, thin line following the edge of the lower body and going all the way to the tail. And add some thin lines across this area for the belly pattern. On top of the snout, a small oval-shaped dot for the nostril, and lastly, a big fire shooting out of its mouth. To learn how to draw a fire, Make sure to check out our other video linked in the description below. And now you've got a dragon! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.